In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily transfer text messages from one iPhone to another one. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Settings. On Settings, at the very top, tap at your name and then get into iCloud. Then, under the apps using iCloud, tap at Show All to see all the apps, and then go into Messages. And on that screen, make sure that Seeing this iPhone feature turned on. If it's toggled off, just hit at that button to turn it on. After that, you can go out of here to the iCloud, then tap at iCloud Backup, and then tap on Backup Now to immediately create new backup, including the latest messages. Tap at Continue and wait until the process to complete. After that, on your new iPhone, open up Settings, then right here tap at the very top and sign into the same Apple ID. Just use the same username or email and password. After that, go to iCloud, Show All, turn on Messages Syncing right here, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.